Good evening and welcome to Pag-asa Online Planetarium. In this video, we will introduce another astronomical software for us to enjoy the night sky kahit na cloudy o umuulan sa labas ng ating tahanan. This is the Stellarium web. It is a free web-based software in which you can simulate day into night as well as night into day. It provides an accurate view of the sky visible at any time or place. I'll put the link in the description and open mo lang ito sa iyong internet browser. So once na na-open mo na ang link, ito ang bubungad na interface sa browser mo. Makikita mo ang starry night sky, some trees and houses in the local horizon, as well as this letter which represents the cardinal point or the direction. So right now we are facing towards north. Let us have a quick tour in Stellarium web. On the left side, we will see view settings in which we can turn on and off the following: the Milky Way, DSS or Digitized Sky Survey, the Meridian Line, and the Ecliptic Line. Under the view settings, show the duration of the planet's visibility on this particular day. So for example, today is February 16, 2021, and once you click this, malalaman natin kung anong visible na planets ngayong gabi hanggang bukas, February 17. Naka-indicate kung anong oras sisikat at lulubog ang araw at mga planeta. By just seeing this figure, later evening, ma-enjoy natin ang view ng Moon and Mars sa kanlurang bahagi ng kalangitan. Meanwhile, ma-observe ang iba pang mga planeta early dawn or just before the sunrise. You could also search for an object you want to observe by simply typing here. Let's say you want to see star cluster Pleiades. Just type it here, then click it so you'll see some information about this object as well as its current location in the sky. Over here is the link to Stellarium Plus mobile app, in which you could enjoy the same interface using your smartphone, which is very useful if you are observing outside your home. To see more of the night sky, we can click this menu bar to remove this site. Let us now move on to the controls at the bottom where you can see the location of the observer using the app. We are currently located at Pag-asa Planetarium in Quezon City. By the way, you can adjust your location depending on where you want to observe. Just search on the particular place, then click this. You can choose to show or remove the following by clicking first, the constellation lines and names. Take note that the modern astronomy divides the sky into 88 areas for the purpose of naming and identifying celestial objects. Second, the constellation arts to help us imagine how people see the pattern in the night sky before. Third, the atmosphere to visualize how light pollution affects our observation. Fourth, the landscape or the ground to see what are the celestial objects below the horizon. Fifth, the azimuthal and equatorial grid to help us navigate and specify position of the objects. Sixth is to determine what are the deep sky objects such as galaxies and nebula that are visible in this particular time. And finally, the night mode, which is used when you want to preserve your night vision outside in the dark. To view in full screen, just click here. On the bottom right side, you'll see the date and time settings. You could also adjust it if you want to observe in advance or you want to observe some astronomical phenomena that occurred in the past. By clicking this, you could record your observations in an astronomical logbook right after creating an account, and you could also check the calendar of astronomical events on a certain month and year right here. And so, these are some of the events na pwede nating abangan this month. Excited na ba kayong mag-observe? Through this, you could certainly enjoy the night sky without light pollution and obstruction outside. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. Again, this is Stellarium Web and feel free to explore more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.